Have you ever stared at a sentence you just wrote and wondered if a specific word needed a capital letter? Usually, that confusion comes down to not entirely understanding what a common noun actually is. By the end of this video, you will have a 3-step checklist. You can use it to instantly identify common nouns and format them perfectly every single time. To get the most out of this workshop, you only need to know that a noun is a naming word. Grab a pen and a piece of paper, because we are going to do a practical audit at the end. Grammar relies on systematic logic, not feeling. Once you learn this framework, you will eliminate the need to guess your capitalization again. Step 1 is categorization. Every common noun must fit into one of 4 broad buckets. We can visualize those buckets like this. The categories are person, place, thing, and animal. If we are talking about a person, words like boy or teacher drop right into this first box. For a place, we use words like city or school. Moving to things, objects like a book or a pen belong here. And finally, animals, like a dog or a cat, fill out the last category. If the word you are analyzing is a general name for anything within these 4 buckets, it successfully passes the first stage of the test. Step 2 is the specific filter. This is the primary failure point for most students, so we need a way to weed out exact names. Let's run a direct comparison. On the left side of the screen, we have Rahim, and on the right side, we have boy. Rahim points to one exact specific entity. Because it is a specific name, it fails the common noun test. We call that a proper noun. The word boy, however, successfully passes the filter. It does not identify a specific individual. It can refer to absolutely any boy. A common noun is defined by this universal, non-specific nature. Step 3 is the formatting rule. This dictates exactly how common nouns must appear in your writing. A frequent mechanical error is capitalizing words in the middle of a sentence simply because the word feels important. Here is the absolute formatting rule. Because common nouns are general, they are strictly written in lowercase letters, unless they are the very first word of a sentence. Applying correct lowercase formatting is the final proof confirming that a common noun has been successfully and correctly identified. Now we transition to the practical application phase. We will test our new 3-step checklist in real time on a full sentence. Take the sentence, "A boy is playing." We run it through our 3 checklist questions. Is it a naming word? Is it general? And is it lowercase? Looking at the word boy, we confirm it is a naming word for a person and that it is general. Finally, we verify the 3rd question. The word is correctly formatted in lowercase letters. Let's introduce a second test sentence and run a faster secondary audit. I live in a city. City is a place, it is general, and it is lowercase. It quickly passes all 3 filters. This mechanical checklist removes all guesswork from your sentence analysis. Now it is your turn. We are moving to the final step of the workshop, the independent practice audit. Here are your 2 target sentences. The boy is reading a book, and Dhaka is a big city. Pause the video now. Apply the 3-step checklist to write down the common nouns, and hit play only when you are finished. Let's check your work. In sentence 1, boy and book are common nouns, general names for a person and thing. In sentence 2, city is correct. Dhaka is a trap. It fails because it is a specific proper noun. If you caught that, great work. Keeping this checklist in mind will permanently eliminate capitalization errors in your writing.
Make sure to subscribe for more systematic grammar guides just like this one.